What's going on today, guys? So we are at the 2026 truck gathering in Guthrie, Oklahoma. It's the largest truck show in Oklahoma by far, truck only, 25 years of age or older. And there is roughly 1,200 trucks here today in this massive area. We're going to do the best of the truck gathering. This is going to be my opinion of what the best of is. It's going to be anywhere from what I think is cool to what I just know is cool. Doesn't matter if you're a square body guy, a 50 small truck guy like I typically am, that's what we're going to shoot. So if you're interested in those kind of trucks, continue to watch this video and see what kind of content that I was able to shoot. much of this video, but the two-tone on this C10 is perfect. I would do it exact same way. The white with the, I don't know what you want to call it, bronze copper looking top on it. Man, that is perfect. They did a good job on this truck. It looks like a big block truck. It's pretty simple build other than the paint. It's really nice. I wouldn't change anything about it. All right, guys, so that's going to wrap it up for the 2026 truck gathering. There was a ton of amazing trucks. I know in the beginning of this video I said there was roughly 1,200. I think the final count was 1,300 trucks in Guthrie, Oklahoma. That's the largest that show has ever been. So I've been attending that show since it started in 2023, and it originally started with 250 trucks, and over the last 4 years, 23, 24, 25, 26, over the last 4 years, it has grown to 1,300 trucks. That's phenomenal. Those guys are doing a great job with that show, and I hope it continues to grow to even something even bigger than what it is. If you're a Ford, Chevy, Dodge, International, whatever kind of truck guy you are, you can probably find it at this show. There's a ton of stuff I didn't show on camera. I really just wanted to enjoy the show and not spend too much time trying to film it and that sort of stuff. I'm sure if you keep looking, there's ton of coverage on this. I know 660 Street did some coverage. There's some other, like Oklahoma maybe. I know their Facebook page did some. Check out the Truck Gathering Facebook page. There's tons of content on the show there as well. They always do a giveaway truck. So if you register, you are entered to win the free giveaway truck. The first few years was a slammed square body pickup. This year they gave away a big 4-wheel drive pickup. It's always free for the entries for the registered people, but you always have a chance to win that while you're there. So they do tons of raffles. It's all for charity. It's a great time, guys. So I think they're opening up registration in October for 2027. And I think they already bought the giveaway truck for next year. So it is happening. The guy that's putting that on, Mike, he's done said that with the growth, he is 100% all in for 2027. So go check it out. thetruckgathering.com, Facebook at The Truck Gathering. So either way, I'll catch y'all in the next one.